Me hear the man say Buju can't go Zion because of the way he performed on a stage recently. And me I said to them, say, I with Zion don't I talk about, man. You know, say Buju, I've been to Zion already. And I feel like say Buju go back to Zion too, you know. Because according to the teachings what them put in the Bible, where's Zion there? Now in Israel. And a part of the teachings also I tell you say Zion is also in Ethiopia. And Buju have been to Israel and Buju have been to Ethiopia. Even Tony Rebel, Muta Baruka, Sizzla, Caperton, Anthony B, enough dancehall artists. Go to Zion already. You know, you see, if you have your money nowadays and can buy a plane ticket and jump on a flight, you're gone to Zion. You can buy your ticket and jump on a plane and fly to Zion. Which other Zion you not talk about? In the sky, you did know say, according to the teachings in the book in the Bible, the Israelites also depict as Zion. Yes, so with Zion you not talk about now. You remember the Psalms, I think of Psalms 87. Its foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord loveth the gates of Zion more than all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God. I will make mention and rave unto them and to Babylon that know me, the old Philistia and Tyre, with Ethiopia. This man was born there. Born where? In Zion. Israel or Ethiopia. So, I will Zion and not ask the Buju now go. Buju go there already. And you never know, maybe tomorrow them book Buju for a show in Israel or Ethiopia. And go back to Zion, go perform. I don't know if I go do that dance when I go over there. But, I don't know what Zion do not talk about. Because Buju go there already. And I feel say, him go there again. Me, Shaquille Morris said that.